Time for a bit of an explosion. Quick, fast, to the point. No pomp and circumstance during these videos, just a whole lot of slow-mo and fun. Enjoy it. It should be fun. All right. Oh, holy crap, look at that. Oh my God, it shot flour and smoke so far up in the sky. Oh my God. I can hear chunks of flour just falling. One hit my truck. That goes to show you, never underestimate the power of flour power. You don't have to like, you don't have to subscribe, you don't have to follow, you don't have to do nothing. Just watch and enjoy. But if you feel like you want to do those things, go right ahead. But either way, I'm going to keep blasting. See you guys next time. Yeah, she's gone. Yeah, you have a suppressed 50 cal Desert Eagle. Always pick up your trash, don't be a douchebag, leave your gun range cleaner than you found it.